To send an international transfer through a Banco Sabadell debit card, follow these steps. First, ensure your debit card is enabled for international transactions by contacting Banco Sabadell customer service. Next, gather the necessary information for the recipient, including their name, address, and bank account details, such as the IBAN and SWIFT code. The IBAN, or International Bank Account Number, is a unique identifier for the recipient's bank account, while the SWIFT code identifies the recipient's bank. Now, log into your Banco Sabadell online banking account or visit a local branch. If using online banking, navigate to the International Transfers section and select the option to send a transfer. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. Choose the currency you want to send and the amount. Then review the transaction details, including any applicable fees and exchange rates. Banco Sabadell may charge a fee for international transfers, and the exchange rate may vary depending on the current market rate. Once you have confirmed the details, authorize the transaction using your online banking credentials or at the bank branch. The transfer will then be processed, and the funds will be deducted from your debit card account. The recipient will typically receive the funds within a few business days, depending on the destination country and the recipient's bank. To track the status of the transfer, log in to your online banking account or contact Banco Sabadell customer service. It is essential to note that international transfer limits and fees may apply, so it is recommended to check with Banco Sabadell before initiating the transfer. Additionally, ensure the recipient's bank account information is accurate to avoid any delays or errors. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can successfully send an international transfer through your Banco Sabadell debit card. Always review the transaction details carefully and contact customer service if you have any questions or concerns.